Well, hey guys, I'm back in Lamington National Park and I've come out to the Antarctic beech trees. Got here about 5 minutes ago. It's super windy and drizzling with rain, so please excuse the audio. So I'm just set up on a 24 wide angle lens and I've got a circular polarizer on. The wind's actually just died down, so I'll grab a shot, pop it up on the screen for you now. All right, that's the first shot of the day. So I've got another composition framed up here. I've got 3 beech trees splaying outwards with one central component in the middle and a fallen log as the foreground. A while back I came across this set of Antarctic beech trees. I'd like to get another photo today, but it's a bit wet, so I'll put one on the screen that I've taken before. So as you can see from that last shot, it got very wet out there. It just started pouring with rain, so I had to head back to the car. All in all, it was about a 14-kilometer walk. I'll include some iPhone footage just showing the mud and the terrain to get out there. But hopefully I can get back there soon and spend a couple of hours exploring that beautiful region and come away with some more images. So yeah, I just wanted to say thank you for tuning in and I hope you enjoyed the episode, and I'll see you in the next one.